Location is really important on Google AdWords search because it defines in which location your potential clients are exactly when they search for your keywords, for the search terms you are targeting. So here in locations you have a lot of options. First of all countries and territories. This is a really bad choice to make because all countries and territories have different CPCs, cost per click. So if you choose and put them all in one campaign, then definitely your campaign will not be really competitive. So what we advice is to create as many campaigns as countries, so as to have the right campaign for the right audience. So here you can choose a country, a single country. Then you can choose countries like United States. So now you're targeting the whole country. Then you can add more countries over here, but once again, don't do that. Just create as many campaigns as countries. So the second choice you have is to choose some larger areas like New York. Of course, here you have three choices on New York. You have New York, the city, the state, and the county. So as you can see, the state is the bigger one. And then you have the city. So to see the difference between the two, you can go to advanced search, and as you can see, New York City is this area and New York State is all this area. So there is some difference on the targeting. So if you have a little small local shop, then you have to choose just the city of New York. But you can do it even more specific and choose exactly what you want, like you're targeting. So my advice is to go to remove all these and go to advanced search and do some more advanced targeting. But before you do that, let me show you how you can choose and make some exceptions. So you can choose United States, and then you can exclude New York. So I write down New York and then go to the not add but exclude. So in that case, you choose all United States, but you exclude New York. So you can do some selections and then you can have some exclusions, but you can also go to advanced search, radius targeting, and then find on the map the location you want to target. Let's say that we want in New York. I go down and then I want just Manhattan. So radius targeting, click on the bubble, click on the location you want to add, and then by default it's 20 miles. You can change that to just 1, enter, and then you have just a local targeting. So if you want this location right here, if you want click on the location, on the exact location you want to add on your targeting, and then if you're happy with this location, you can press add and the location is added to your targeting. So you can add more targets right here and make unlimited number of circles, and you can choose all these. So great. So with this selection you have all detailed targeting you want, and then you can press done, and here is the targeting you chose. Of course you can combine this targeting with larger areas, so radius targeting, and then combine that with larger areas of 5 miles. So you have a lot of options on targeting. Choose your right audience and target it. Then there is another option with search. You can press this button over here, and now you can see that it gives us a lot of districts, and we can press on the district and add it to our location. and then press on this district and add it again. So you can select district by district and target this district with very precise ways. So it's really great. You can combine both ways, choose by district and choose by radius, and at the end you need to have the exact locations you want to target with Google AdWords search.